San Marino, one of the world's smallest countries, is a hidden gem tucked away within Italy. Its rich history, medieval charm, and breathtaking views make it a fascinating destination. Here's your travel guide to help you explore the best of San Marino. When to visit: spring, April to June, mild temperatures and fewer tourists, making it the best time to visit for comfortable weather and fewer crowds. Summer, July to August, peak tourist season with warmer weather, festivals, and a lively atmosphere. Be prepared for crowds. Autumn, September to November, pleasant weather and beautiful fall colors in the countryside. Winter, December to March, cold but quiet. The Christmas markets are charming if you're visiting around the holidays. Getting there by air: the nearest major airport is in Rimini, Italy, about 30 kilometers from San Marino. You can also fly into Bologna or Ancona and take a bus or drive. By train, San Marino doesn't have a train station, so you'll need to get to a nearby city, like Rimini or Cesena, and take a bus or taxi to the country. By bus, there are regular bus services from Italy to San Marino. It's a popular option for travelers from Rimini. Top attractions: Guida, the first tower, one of the three towers of San Marino, perched on Mount Titano. It offers incredible panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and is a symbol of the country. Sesta, the second tower, another iconic tower, located higher up on the mountain. It houses a museum and offers spectacular views. Monte Titano, the mountain that offers beautiful views and walking trails. You can hike or take a cable car up to the summit. Piazza della Libertà, the main square in the capital, with impressive architecture, the Palazzo Pubblico, Town Hall, and the Statue of Liberty. Basilica di San Marino, a neoclassical church that houses the remains of Saint Marinus, the founder of the Republic. Museo di Stato, State Museum, explores San Marino's history, with exhibits on archaeology, art, and local traditions. The Three Towers. These medieval towers on Mount Titano are the country's most iconic symbols, each offering distinct views and fascinating historical insights. Culture heritage: San Marino boasts a rich history of independence, having remained a republic since 301 AD. You can learn about its political and cultural heritage at museums and historical sites. The country's well-preserved medieval architecture gives it a fairy tale atmosphere. Things to do: shopping. San Marino is known for its tax-free shopping. You can buy Italian luxury goods, local crafts, perfumes, and watches at discounted prices. Hiking and nature walks. Explore Monte Titano's hiking paths for stunning views and a connection with nature. Cultural events. Attend the traditional festivals and events that take place throughout the year, such as the Medieval Festival, usually in July, and the Corsa di San Marino, traditional historical race. Try local cuisine. Don't miss local specialties like torta tre monti, a layered wafer cake, fagiano alla cacciatora, pheasant stew, and local wines. Where to stay: Hotel Titano, a charming hotel with a classic atmosphere located in the center of San Marino. Grand Hotel San Marino, offering luxury amenities. This hotel is perfect for those seeking a more comfortable stay. Agriturismo and BBs. For a more intimate and rustic experience, consider staying in a countryside guesthouse or agriturismo, farm stay, in the surrounding region. Getting around: walking. The best way to explore San Marino is on foot, as the country is small and walkable. Cable car. The cable car is a great way to reach Monte Titano from the city below. Buses and taxis. While the country is small, there are buses for getting between the main attractions. Day trips. Rimini, Italy, a short drive from San Marino. Rimini is a coastal city known for its beaches and historical Roman sites. Urbino, Italy, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with Renaissance architecture, located about 40 minutes by car. Fun facts: small but mighty. San Marino is the fifth smallest country in the world and has a population of about 33,000 people. Longevity. it claims to be the world's oldest surviving republic, founded in 301 AD by Saint Marinus, Independence. It is completely surrounded by Italy, but San Marino has maintained its sovereignty and independence through centuries of change in Europe. Practical tips. Currency. San Marino uses the euro, even though it's not part of the European Union. Language. The official language is Italian, but English is widely understood in tourist areas. Visa. Citizens of the EU, the US, and many other countries do not need a visa for short stays. Conclusion. San Marino is a wonderful place to visit if you're looking for rich history, medieval charm, beautiful views, and a unique travel experience. Whether you're hiking, shopping, or exploring the many towers and museums, there's no shortage of things to see and do in this tiny but fascinating country.